Hello, welcome again. We are solving GATE 2025 HC Fluid Mechanics paper. Question number 41 is: a ship is to be operated in a fluid medium with kinematic viscosity 0.032 into 10 to minus 3 meters square per second. A 1/10th scale model of ship is built for testing. Consider inertia, viscous and gravity forces are dominant for ship and its model during the operation. The required kinematic viscosity of the liquid for testing the model is P into 10 minus 6 meters square per second. The value of P rounded off to 2 decimal places is dash. So here, as viscous and inertia forces are predominant, so we can create Reynolds number. So Reynolds number of ship is equal to Reynolds number of model. So that is ds ds by mu s is equal to Vm dm by mu s, where mu s is your uh, kinematic viscosity, mu is equal to kinematic viscosity, v velocity, and d is diameter. So kinematic viscosity of model comes out as Vm by Vs into dm by ds into mu s. So now, as gravity and inertia forces are also predominant, so we can also equate Froude number. So Vs by root dsg is equal to Vm by root dmg, or Vs by Vm is equal to root ds by dm. Okay. So now Vm by Vs can be put here from this. So so kinematic viscosity of model comes out as root dm by ds into dm by ds into mu s. So uh, as scale of the model is given as 10, so ds by dm is your model and prototype is given as 10, so ds by dm will be 10. So here it will be root 10 and here it will be also 10, or we can say it is 1 by root 10, 1 by 10. This is 1 by root 10 and this is 1 by 10, and this is given as 0.032 10 to minus 3. So solving this, mu m comes out as 0.0101 10 to minus 4, and this is given as p in 10 to minus 6, so it will be, so p will be at 1.01 is the answer.